Welcome to my party, handsome.
Ooh, babe. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts would tell.